Welcome to the Open University of Tanzania ODC 026 broadcast and recorded instructional materials. Lecture 5, Development and the Production along with the Monitoring and the Evaluation. Introduction. This lecture will provide you with information on the development and the production of recorded instructional materials for use in distance education and open learning. Before development and the production of audio material, usually planning and the designing of programs are done. Recording takes place when all the preparations of audio recording have been effectively done. Development and the production of audio and the video materials. Prepare 1. Many of the tasks without overlapping them. 2. Identify different people who are involved in each stage of the production process. 3. Estimate amount of time and effort required for each stage. However, it must be noted that stages of development and the production vary with the complexity of each material being developed and produced. Another thing which you are expected to do is to decide on the kind of audience you will require. Audience. In preparing for recorded instructional materials, in the first place, you need to know your audience and its profile as the most important component during planning and designing, development and production. Not only this, but you need to have adequate data-specific information about the audience. Information such as the causes to be recorded will be linked with the subject matter of an individual program or audio cassette sequences. Role of monitoring and evaluation. Evaluation is a continuing process designed to improve students' performance. It is designed to enhance the quality of services offered to students. We will now analyze the process of monitoring and evaluation and explore its implication in terms of 4 key questions. 1. What is the purpose of monitoring and evaluation? 2. What needs to be monitored and evaluated? 3. Who should be involved in the process? 4. How should it be carried out? What is the purpose of monitoring and evaluation? 1. Quality, reference and effectiveness, to improve the quality of radio programs, audio, cassettes and audio, visual materials. 2. Efficient, to improve the quality of decision making in relation to audio and ensure that the resources allocated to the medium are used as efficiently as possible. 3. Accountability, to justify to management and funding agencies the allocation of resources to audio and to account for the use of such resources. What needs to be monitored and evaluated? The product are the learning material produced for a course. In the case of audio, they include radio programs, audio cassette and audio vision packages. 2. The process consists of activities through which these products are created and used. Activities involved in the process include planning, design, development, production, distribution, used by students and evaluation. Both the product and the process are monitored and evaluated. Monitoring and evaluating products. We need to observe 3 main aspects in relation to these materials. 1. Professional credibility. Are the materials accurate and authoritative? In the case of material for visually impaired people, we need to critically observe the recording system from preparation of study material up to presentation. 2. Do they reflect the highest professional standard of special education of which we are capable? 3. Do the material match the standards achieved by other comparable distance education and open learning institutions? Who should be involved in the process? Responsibility for monitoring and evaluation is usually delegated to senior staff or head of section. Senior staff or head of section have a major responsibility in this area. This needs to be written in their job descriptions. How should it be carried out? Responsibility of senior staff or heads of section. 1. Establishment of agreed procedures, ways of working and handling students' issues, as well as performance within their areas of responsibility. 2. Communicating these issues, e.g., norms, values, and expectations, so that negotiation and acceptability can be enhanced. 3. Monitoring and evaluating activities within their areas of responsibility in order to identify problems. 6. Solution and secure implementation, consultation within the staff involvement at the audio recording station. The end. Thank you for your attention.